Welcome to the Engineering by Design BUZZ Learning Management System. This webinar is designed to acquaint you with accessing the EbD-BUZZ dashboard and state data and generating reports. The goal of this presentation is to familiarize you with accessing the EbD-BUZZ dashboard. The topics covered in this tutorial are logging into EbD-BUZZ, the EbD-BUZZ dashboard, and familiarizing yourself with the dashboard icons and their associated content, and accessing test analytics for any EbD course. If you are new to EbD, you should have received an email from EbD-BUZZ support with your login credentials. Be sure to check your spam and/or junk folder for this email. To begin, log into the ITEEA website using the Login button on the top left side of the web page by entering your username and password. Once you have logged in, select the EbD button located along the top of the page. If you do not know your password, click the EbD-BUZZ button, then click Forgot Your Login Information. Enter your email address under Recover Password. A message will be sent to your email address with a temporary password. Once you have received your temporary password, click the EbD-BUZZ button and log in with your email address and your temporary password. To change your password, go to Account Settings in your online profile. Once you have logged into EbD-BUZZ, make sure to select the Admin app. In some cases, EbD directors will have the option of logging in as a teacher or even a student. Your name will appear to the right of a grayed out silhouette or profile picture. If you have not uploaded a profile picture, then it will appear as the grayed out silhouette. Due to security reasons, the information that is state specific is obscured by a blue box on this slide. Your state is identified on the opening page in the upper left corner and is displayed under the name title and user space. The districts and/or counties are listed as subdomains. Click this heading to see the list. Your state is identified on the opening page in the upper left corner. The districts and/or counties are listed along with their ID number and user space. For security purposes, the state and the district and/or county identifiers have been obscured by a blue box on this slide. To access the EbD-BUZZ dashboard, click on the BUZZ menu icon at the top left of the page. This icon appears as 3 horizontal lines. Let's take a look at the layout of this page. The vertical navigation bar on the left side of the screen is the EbD-BUZZ dashboard. Now let's look more closely at the vertical EbD-BUZZ navigation bar or dashboard on the left side of the screen. Each icon is labeled in the pop-out dashboard. Let's take a look at some of these icons you will be using to access the EbD-BUZZ data analytics. Click on the Admin app icon and you will return to the home screen. The user's icon resembles a group of people, identifies the user of the state domain, usually the consortium state director, and possibly his or her designee. The courses icon provides you with access to a list of all EbD courses taught in the state. This icon looks like a person reading a book. Click on the courses icon. Each EbD course currently offered is listed in the course's view along with their active start and end dates. Choose the objective icon to reveal a list of objectives for the courses. Choose the Reports icon from the menu to generate state, district, school, or student reports. This icon looks like a graph. The reports generated here can be at the granular level and list grade information such as scores, failing, passing, and other summaries related to individual course activities and activity categories. These activity periods and categories can be filtered to isolate certain data sets. However, in this screencast, we will only concentrate on state level data. The Reports opens to the Gradebook tab. Notice the Gradebook tab is highlighted. You can also access pre- and post-test analytics here for each course taught in your state by clicking on the Test Analytics tab. The report generated in the Test Analytics shows the item analysis and proficiency details of either the pre- or post-assessment taken by all students in an EBD course across the state. Notice whenever the Test Analytics tab is chosen, it now appears highlighted. Click on the three horizontal lines and a pop-up menu with a list of courses will appear. Choose a course from the pop-out menu. Foundations of Technology was chosen for this example. The course title then appears in the Step 1 field. Click on the Next button. In Step 2, the Choose an Assessment field appears. Click on the three horizontal lines and the pop-out menu for the assessments will appear. In this example, the pretest was selected. The word pretest will appear in the field. Click on Next. If you need to add filters to the analytics, you can do so in Step 3. If not, simply click the Next button. Click on the Run Report button to view the results of the pretest. The report generated here shows item analysis and proficiency, such as frequency of scores, statistics, frequency of grades, and question item analysis. Statistics provides you with the total number of students that have taken the test statewide. Here, 1,339 students have taken the pretest with a mean score of 41.51% and a median score of 38%. A bar graph represents the frequency of grades. Scroll downward and you will see each question listed along with the question number, levels of difficulty and discrimination, and question text. Mouse over the intertwined red arrows and a box will pop up to describe the discrimination level warning. The discrimination level compares student responses on this question to the rest of the questions on the assessment. This particular message indicates that the question has a low discrimination level and that students who did well on the rest of the assessment answered this incorrectly more often than expected. You can expand the question view by clicking on the small arrowhead to the left of the question number. This view reveals the question, the answer choices, and the percentage of students that chose each available choice. The discrimination level is also represented in graphic form, a blue bar. Mouse over the blue bar and a pop-up box appears indicating a numerical value for the level. The example has a discrimination level of 0.03 out of 1. Mouse over the difficulty graphic, that is the blue bar, for each question, and a pop-up box appears to reveal the percentage of students that correctly answered the question and the number of attempts made in answering the question. The number of attempts is the number of students who attempted to answer the question. The difficult question warning is specified as a red exclamation point beside the question number. Mouse over the exclamation point and a pop-up box will appear indicating that most students answered this item incorrectly. If at any time you need assistance with the EbD-BUZZ, click on the Ebd Help Desk icon. The Ebd Help Desk icon provides you with access to EbD tech support. This icon appears as a question mark within a circle. By clicking on the EbD Help Desk icon, you can utilize the EbD support ticket system. Every support request is assigned a unique ticket number, which you can use to track the progress and responses online. For your reference, complete archives and history of all your support requests are provided. The communication feature is used to send announcements within BUZZ. Normally, this feature is not utilized. The help icon at the bottom of the EbD dashboard accesses help from Agilix, the provider of the BUZZ platform. Please do not use this feature. Instead, if you require help, use the EbD Help Desk icon at the top of the dashboard. Please remember that the EbD Network Agreement requires that teachers administer pre- and post-assessments. The administration of the post-assessment triggers the course copy for the following school year. For more information, please contact Dr. Anita Deck at adeck@iteea.org or EbD-BUZZ support at ebdbuzzsupport@iteea.org.